Hi, I'm Keisha and I'm a pharmacy technician here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm here with Dr. McIntosh to ask some questions about cat behavior. Dr. McIntosh, what should I do if I notice a sudden change in my cat's behavior?
Sudden changes in cat behavior can be a medical problem, a painful problem. They can tell us that there's something inside or outside the cat's environment that is causing distress. So anytime sudden changes or your cat is behaving differently than it normally does is a reason to see your vet.
What does my veterinarian need to know about my cat's behavior?
So because cats are not usually taken outside the home very often, it's important for us to know what's actually happening in the home, where resources are, where other cats live, and the interactions that are happening at home. So understanding what's normal for your cat, understanding what is normal boundaries for your cat, and understanding what's actually going on in between like inter-cat situations or between your cats and people takes a lot of kind of investigating to try to figure out what's going on.
How do I know if a sudden change in my cat's behavior is a problem?
Sudden changes in behavior are always worth bringing up. Again, could mean there's a physical problem, could mean there's an issue with pain, could mean that there's a sudden change in the hierarchy between cats in the household. And anytime behavior changes without an inciting cause or changes for the worse, something that you don't want to see, always a reason to contact your vet.
How do I know if things like kneading and hunting are normal behaviors in my cat?
Kneading and hunting and predatory behavior and chasing things and games like that are all necessary cat normal behaviors. What ends up happening in some situations is that becomes a problem because where you're kneading or what you're kneading on or what you're hunting or what you're chasing or what you're biting sometimes ends up being people, sometimes ends up being fingers, sometimes ends up being toys or things that they're not supposed to play with. So all of those are normal behaviors with cats. We just need to figure out what we want them to play with, hunt, chase, and once we exchange those things for the things we don't want them to be chasing, then we're in better shape.
How do I assess whether a change in my cat's behavior means they're sick?
So like we talked about before, any sudden change in cat's behavior is always a cause for concern, always a cause to chat with your veterinarian and make sure it isn't something that's normal for them, isn't something that's a concern, isn't something that's a potential for a sign of pain. So always checking with your veterinarian if anything changes or if you notice a difference in your cat's behavior is important.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thank you, Keisha. If you have any questions about your cat's medical condition or potential behavior problem, you can give us a call here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital, set up an appointment to talk to a veterinarian and see if something like a behavior consult or a physical exam and blood work is right for you.